All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use the WASBO Go app. This is WASBO's association app that contains all of our information. You're going to download it from your phone's app or Google Play Store. So the first thing you're going to do once it's downloaded, you can do it for free. So you're going to click on the WASBO Go icon. That's going to take you to our app, including our home screen. This is our home screen right here. It's going to have conference information, banner ads that are clickable, all of our publications, basically some resources. You're going to either click at the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner, or literally just scroll your finger to the right, and it's going to take you to our left main menu. If your name is not at the top of the screen, that means you need to log in, and you're going to log in using the same information that's in your WASBO profile. So that would be your username, your email. Your username is your email, and then also your password. Once you've successfully logged in using the same information, you're going to you can even scroll down here and look at all of these resources, but for this purposes of this video, we're going to go to Calendar. Now, Calendar is going to take you to all of our upcoming and past events, whether you've registered for them or not. The reason that you want to make sure to log in is that you'll have full access to any events that you have registered for. So for today, we're going to go to the Virtual Facilities Management Conference. It's going to load the event. First, it's going to take you to the dashboard where we have all sorts of fun resources, including a conference evaluation that loads right into the app. Sponsors, their links are clickable. Handouts web page. The handouts are also available in the sessions. We'll get to that. We also have the photo gallery. It'll show all of these photos here. If you click on the top, in the top right, at this little thing that looks like a camera, that icon, it'll either say gallery or camera. I'm going to choose camera. You can see me here. I'm going to take a selfie. Use photo. I can type in a caption here. Loving the Once I type in the caption, I'll press submit here to the right. It's going to load for a second. Once it's loaded, it's going to say your photo is successfully uploaded. Would you like to upload another? I'm going to say no for now. So then it's uploaded. Don't mind all the other photos there of me. There's other resources here. You're also going to go to sessions. It's going to show up all sessions. If you, once you click on these, that's when it shows up in my sessions. You're going to need to click on once you click on this actual icon, you can even look at handouts for the session that we have uploaded. Then if you click on one of these, you can, as long as this is checked, you can also evaluate the session right in the app. You can also look at the session speakers right here. It'll take you to their bio and what sessions they're presenting on. It's all pretty nice. You can also scroll between multiple days right here. You can also look at the speakers that we have for the conferences. Yeah, it's all pretty easy. What else? We also have session tracks. You can look at attendees. You can post to the forum. You can look at messages. Yeah, it's all pretty easy. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for Calendar, and I think that's where we're going to leave it today.